Hi friends, this video is going to introduce you to one of our new units for this week called measurement. Is that a short looking word or a long word? It's pretty long. Let's see how many letters it has in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters in the word measurement. That is a long word, okay? So when we talk about measurement, you might have some things laying around the house that you can use to measure things. And I chose some out of my desk drawer. This is called a ruler. They come in wood and plastic. And then one side is inches and the other side is centimeters. Those are all different units of measurement that you're going to learn about as you get older. You might also see one of these things lying around the house that pulls out. Ooh, look how cool, but it's not a toy. But it is fun to measure things with this. Like when I'm measuring furniture for my house to see where it will fit, I have to use this because it can get really long. So this is called a tape measure. And it goes up to 16 feet long in here, all wound up. So you might have some tools laying around like this in your house as well to measure things. But with our unit, we are going to use a different tool to measure things today. So the first thing that you're going to get is a piece of paper that looks like this. And these are raindrops because we're in the season of spring. And the saying is, April showers bring May flowers. So we're going to be measuring things that you find in springtime. And to measure them, we're going to use raindrops. So when you get this paper and you print it out, you're going to cut them long ways into a tall strip like this, okay? So it goes from 1 all the way up to 9. So 9 raindrops tall. That's what your strip is going to look like. You're also going to get some pictures that go along with the spring theme. A watering can, an umbrella, a flower, a bird. There's a whole bunch of them that you're going to get and print, and then you're going to cut them out around the black box that they're in, okay? And then you're also going to get this page, which is your recording sheet. So once you measure each item, you're going to record the number of raindrops that it was tall. How tall was the watering can? How many raindrops tall? The raindrop is our unit of measurement in this activity, okay? So I'm going to flip my camera around and I'm going to show you how to line up your measurement tool with the picture in order to count how many units tall each one is. I'm just going to do 2 with you today because I don't want to spoil all the fun for you. Okay, so let me turn my camera around and I'm going to show you how to measure some of the items. So I'm going to start off with the rain boot, with the big one. So I'm going to get my raindrop unit of measurement here next to it. And see how I lined it up, the bottom, all the way straight up, and the lines match up? So now let's count how many raindrops tall is the rain boot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now, over here on my recording sheet, here's the rain boot. And I'm going to write the number 6 here. The rain boot was 6 units tall, okay? Now let's try one of the smaller ones. Let's look at the cloud. Line it up at the bottom, okay? So it's nice and straight. The cloud is 1, 2, 3 raindrops tall. So bring back my record sheet. Here's the cloud, and I would write a 3 here. The cloud is 3 units tall, okay? So there's a little example of how to measure your items using your unit of measure, which in this case is the raindrop strip, okay? So let's look here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures that you're going to measure with your raindrops. And then once you're done, you could go find items around your house to measure using your raindrops measurement tool, or you could use something like if you have the little Unifix cubes like Miss Axtell has at school. How many blocks tall is your bed? Or how many blocks tall is the chair, right? But you have to make sure that each block is the same size when you're using it to measure. They all have to be equal in size when you measure, okay? So have fun. I look forward to talking about measurement with you this week. I have some fun things to show you on the computer as well. So have fun using your raindrops to measure, and I'll see you soon.